What's up, guys? Welcome to my another video. It's Dipen from Best Software Deals, the best place to get insane deals on business software. Number 1 digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. Today, we're looking at Activepieces, a no-code tool designed to help you automate marketing, sales, customer service, and internal processes. Activepieces lets you automate your daily business tasks without calling your tech team or coding anything yourself. Choose from over 100 apps and pre-built templates to automate customer support, sync leads with your CRM, and update social media. You'll also get access to detailed step-by-step debugging tools to tweak anything in your workflows that isn't working for you. Activepieces is packed with common business automations like sending Shopify emails and syncing Facebook leads with HubSpot, MailChimp, or Pipedrive. To launch your first automation, you simply need to select a template from the library and connect your accounts. Plus, you can connect with hundreds of Discord members and tons of code contributors to discover better ways to automate your day. Thanks to the Chat integration, you can pump out high-quality SEO blogs without ever burning the midnight oil again. Or you can launch your own AI customer support agent to offer 5-star service to your customers around the clock. Activepieces will even let you auto-post to Facebook and Twitter, as well as analyze your customer feedback at scale. If there's a gap in your automation, Activepieces lets you write your own JavaScript code to optimize for any bottlenecks. But instead of rewriting code, you'll be able to create packaged code that connects to your favorite apps in an instant. You can also use packaged code in the builder or share it with your team to ensure that everyone's working more efficiently. Let's dive into the core pieces of Activepieces. Here we are at the main dashboard. Notice this awesome set of templates. We'll get back to them in a minute. For now, let's jump into building a brand new flow. Check it. You pick a trigger, say a schedule trigger, that runs once a day. You connect an app of your choice. It could be Airtable, Google Sheets. There's over 100 of them. Then you just tell it what you want to do. Think of the possibilities. You can literally automate pretty much anything. Never want to share another Facebook post again? Connect your account, schedule your post, and boom. Activepieces does the rest. Set it and forget it. Game changer, right? I know you're ready, so stop messing around and hit buy now already. Want to see some more? Alright, just follow me. With Activepieces, you can also add branching logic to your flows. Think of it like creating your own adventure, but for business stuff. Set conditions and decide what action should be taken when those conditions are met. Everything is 100% no code, which means it's simple AF. No more stress. It's time to automate. If you're feeling adventurous and you have a knack for coding, you can whip up your own custom JavaScript code and integrate it cool. Okay, we took a peek at some templates earlier. Let's really get into them now. These powerful templates are pre-built and ready to integrate into your business right away. Use Chat to send a warm welcome email to your new subscribers, keep your Twitter feed fresh with daily posts, or even create a personalized customer service bot to handle your customers' SM's inquiries. Unlimited potential, I know. It's time for a treat. Activepieces demo flow creates a new flavor of gelato every minute and emails it to a chosen address. Click publish, sit back, and watch as the task runs seamlessly. Sorbet sunset, anyone? Delicious and efficient. So what are you waiting for? Snag this lifetime deal while it's fresh and get ready to automate just about everything for your business. Good thing you can integrate your apps, automate workflows, and save loads of time and money with this lifetime deal on Activepieces.